explore the evolution of worlds through natural drift, inverse Darwinism, and the biology of love, as we journey from protected variation to life-coherent civilization. Modern civilization often equates survival with optimal efficiency, but this view can lead to brittle systems, inequality, and the prioritization of systems over life. Two civilizational grammars exist, one focused on scarcity and competition, the other on life security and generative drift, highlighting a shift from scarcity to abundance. Living systems naturally conserve organization to allow for structural drift, driven by natural drift rather than external control, emphasizing adaptation and continuity. Organisms and environments interact dynamically, not as fixed realities, through structural coupling, bringing forth worlds and reciprocal change. Inverse Darwinism shows that redundancy is not waste, but a source of evolutionary potential, allowing for new capacities and stabilized dependencies. Love, in this framework, is the relational margin for human variation, allowing coexistence and the expansion of perception and intelligence. Institutions are formed through conserved conversations, with love creating a relational generative margin, prompting reflection on the conversations we conserve. Complexity can lead to institutional auto-poetization, where systems become rigid and self-serving, losing their original purpose and adaptability. Two evolutionary paths exist for complex systems. One towards life-coherent growth, the other towards pathological lock-in, each with distinct characteristics. System coherence focuses on survival, while life coherence emphasizes the enlargement of life capacity, questioning what is truly conserved. The unified engine of becoming involves life-coherent generative drift, balancing renewal and stability against pathological lock-in. Life-coherent institutions ask critical questions about purpose, reserve, and learning, ensuring self-conservation aligns with life. The world is shaped by what we choose to conserve together, emphasizing the need for life coherence and the capacity to become otherwise.